In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wufoo to collect customer reviews. Whether you're a business owner, a service provider, or just someone looking to get some feedback on a product, Wufoo can be an excellent tool for gathering insights from your customers. It's user-friendly and offers a range of templates that can serve as a starting point for your custom review collection form. To get started, we'll take advantage of the variety of templates that Wufoo offers. The platform provides pre-made forms specifically designed for collecting customer reviews, making it relatively easy to find one that aligns with your needs. Once you have access to these templates, the real fun begins, as you can fully customize them to suit your specific requirements. The first step in customizing your form is adding fields. These fields are essential as they will collect detailed information from your customers, like their name and email, as well as details about the product or service they're reviewing. Providing these fields ensures that you receive not only valuable feedback, but also enough context to help you understand the experiences your customers have with your product or service. Next, consider integrating rating scales into the form. Rating scales can come in different forms, such as a Likert scale or star ratings. These scales are a quick way for customers to quantify their experience and satisfaction levels with your product or service. For instance, asking customers to rate their satisfaction from 1 to 5 stars can be an efficient and visually intuitive way to gather quantitative feedback. In addition to rating scales, you'll want to include open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are crucial because they offer your customers the opportunity to share specific thoughts, opinions, and suggestions in their own words. This qualitative feedback can often provide insights that go beyond numerical data, highlighting areas for improvement or aspects that stand out positively to your customers. Lastly, ensure that your form is engaging and easy to complete. Use clear, concise language and organize the questions logically. This will help keep your customers focused and willing to complete the form without feeling it's too time-consuming or cumbersome. Once your form is customized, you're ready to publish it and start collecting customer reviews. You can share your Wufoo form through various channels, be it via email, on your website, or on social media platforms. Give your customers ample opportunity and incentive to fill it out, perhaps even tie it to a promotion or a special offer to encourage participation. And that's it. By the end of creating and customizing your Wufoo form, you'll be well equipped to gather comprehensive and valuable insights from your customers, driving improvements and celebrating successes in your business. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your Wufoo forms.